Hello students, in this period we will studying about list common multiple means LCM. The second part of this chapter we already learned SCF, factorizing of SCF. Okay, now the second part is LCM. So we already know how to find SCF. SCF means which is the common factor of SCF and then multiply. And LCM means, let's see, the least common multiple of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. Okay, so first see example. Example 1, 6 comma 7. Now factorize 6 and 7. Okay, so if the number is even, so we will factorizing this number by using smaller, which is the smaller even number. So smaller number is 2, so we will factorizing 6 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is an odd number, so we will the odd number or prime number is the prime number is divided by 1 or itself, so it is 3 ones are 3. So factors of 6 is 2 into 6. This is the 2 into 3. 2 into 3. This is the factors of 6. Now factorize 7. 7 is prime number, so it is factorizing by 1 or itself, so it is 7 ones are 7, so it is only 7. Okay, सो आपण HCFमध्ये काय करतो, कॉमन फॅक्टर घेतो अगोदर आणि कॉमन फॅक्टर घेऊन त्याला मल्टिप्लाय करतो. बट इथं कोणता एक पण फॅक्टर कॉमन आहे का? एक पण कॉमन नाही आहे. सो आपण इथं काय करणार, 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 7 याला मल्टिप्लाय करून त्याचा आन्सर इथं लिहिणार. सो 2 3 जा 6, 6 7 जा 42. सो दिस इज द LCM ऑफ 6, 7. ओके, हे LCM आहे 6, 7. नाव नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल 8, 12. लेट्स फॅक्टराइज 8 and 12. Factorize 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Again we will factorizing 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is prime number, so 2 1s are 2. So this is the factors of 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Let's factorize 12 by 2. So it is 2 6 are 12. Again 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number, so it is 3 ones are 3. This is the factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. ओके, HCF कसं काढतो आपण? HCFमध्ये आपण काय करतो, दोन कॉमन नंबर आहे, ते कॉमन नंबर घेऊन त्याचा मल्टिप्लाय करून जे येणार आन्सर असेल ते HCF असेल. बट LCMमध्ये आपण काय करणार, जे कॉमन नंबर आहे ते अगोदर कॉमन नंबर पण घेणार, बट कॉमन नंबर घेतल्यानंतर जे बाकीचे नंबर राहील ते नंबरसुद्धा घेऊन त्याचा मल्टिप्लाय करणार. सो याच्यात कॉमन नंबर कोणतं आहे? 2 कॉमन आहे, इथं 2 कॉमन आहे, सो 2 मल्टिप्लाय, इथं 2 कॉमन आहे, it is also 2 common, so again 2. So now it has only 2 times common. 2 common आहे का इथं? अगर नाही आहे. 3 आहे का इथं? कॉमन नाही आहे. सो अगेन वी रायटिंग हिअर 2 मल्टिप्लाय अगेन 3. ओके, आपण काय केलं, तर जे कॉमन आहे अगोदर ते कॉमन घेतलं आणि जे बाकीचे राहिलेले ते सुद्धा मल्टिप्लाय केलं. सो इट इज 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24. This is the LCM of 8, 12. Okay, hope you understand how to solve. Now example 3, 5, 6, 15. So factorize 5. 5 is a prime number, so it is only 5 ones are 5. This is the factor of 5. Now factorize 6 by 2. 2 3s are 5. 3 ones are 3. So 5 factors. It is 3, 2 comma 2 multiplied by 3. Now factorize 15 by 5. So 5 3s are 5. Again 3 ones are 3. So it is 5 comma 3. Now check which is the common factor. So it is 5 common and it is 5 common. Look at here. आता याच्यात तिन्ही याच्यात कॉमन नाही आहे, फक्त दोन पेअर, एक पेअर कॉमन आहे. इथं 5 इथं 5. सो आपण अगोदर काय करणार, इथं 5 लिहिणार. ओके, अगोदर चेक करायचं तर तीन नंबर असेल तर 3 नंबरमध्ये कॉमन आहे का. जर 3 नंबरमध्ये कॉमन नसेल तर बघायचं एक पेअर कॉमन आहे का, दोन्हीकडे कॉमन आहे का. जर 2 कॉमन असेल तर ते घेऊन टाकायचं अगोदर. ओके, सो इथे 3 कॉमन आहे, इथे 3 कॉमन आहे. सो इंटू 3. ओके, आपण काय केलं, इथं 5 कॉमन आहे 5. सो 5 घेतलं, 3 3 घेतलं, इंटू इथे 2. सो 5 3 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30. This is the LCM of 5, 6, 15. Hope you understand how to solve list common multiple. Okay, let's see another example. Example, find the LCM of 60 and 48. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. Let's factorize 60 and 48. 60 and 48. Draw a straight line and draw horizontal sum lines. It is also same like that. Okay, let's see. 60 is a even number and 48 is also a even number, so we can factorizing this number by using 2. Okay, so let's factorize 60 by 2. So it is 2 13 2 za 32 za 60, or 2 into 30 means 60. So it is 2 3 za 6 or 0. So again we will multiplying this number, we will factorizing 30 by 2. So it is 15. Okay, now factorize 15 by 5. 15 3 za how much? Sorry, 5 3 za 15, and 3 is a prime number, so it is divided by only 1 or itself. So it is 3 ones are 3. So this is the factors of 60. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, now factorize 48. 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again factorize 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again factorize 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again factorize 6 by 2. It is 3. Okay, it is very simple. So 3 ones are 3. So this is the factor of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so now let's find the LCM. So it is also common. It is also common. So you're writing here 1 common pair, 2 common here, 2 common here. Again we are writing here 2. Now it has only two times common. Let's check which number is common. It is also 3 common. It is also 3 common. So writing here 3. Okay. So this is also common. Now check any one number is common here. No. So we will writing the remaining number as it is. So it is also the remaining number is 2 into 2 and into 5. Okay. So the multiplications of this number is our LCM. Okay, hope you understand how to find LCM. It means आपण काय केलं अगोदर जे कॉमन नंबर आहे ते कॉमन नंबर घेऊन टाकायचे, ठीक आहे. आणि जे कॉमन नंबर घेतल्यानंतर जे रिमेनिंग नंबर आहे ते रिमेनिंग नंबर सुद्धा मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि ते मल्टिप्लाय करून जे येणार आन्सर असेल ते आपलं LCM असेल. ओके. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा हाऊ मच 12. Let's multiply this number. So answer is 240. This is the LCM. This is our final answer. Hope you understand how to solve this number. You can using horizontal method also or vertical method. Any method you can use. Okay. Hope you understand how to solve this example. Now let's see another one example. Example, find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50 using horizontal method. Okay, let's factorize 18. So it is it is also even number. So we can factorize this number by using 2. So it is 2 into 9 means 2 into 9 means it is 2 9s are 18. So 2 as it is. Now factorize 9. So it is 3 3s are 9. So this is the factors of 18. Okay, now factorize 30. 30. So it is 2 into 15. Okay. Now 2 as it is. Factorize 15. It is 5 3s are or 3 5s are 15. Okay, this is a factor of 30. Now factorize 50. 2 into 25. 2 as it is. Now factorize 25. 5 5s are 25. This is the factor of 50. Now find the LCM. Therefore LCM of 18, 30 and 50 is, first we will take common number. So 2 here is 2 common, here is 2 common, here is 2 common. So we will writing here 2 multiplied. Again let's check 3. It has 3 common, it has 3 but 50 मध्ये 3 नाही आहे. इथं 5 आहे, इथं 5 आहे, 3 मध्ये 5 नाही. सो आपण काय करायचं पेयर घेणार अगोदर. सो इथं 3चा पेयर आहे. ओके. सो इथं 3 लिहून टाका. मल्टिप्लाय 5चा पेयर आहे इथं 5 आणि 5. So this is 5, this is 5. So write here 5. Now check the 3's remain or 5 is also remaining. So we will also writing here 3 multiplied by 5. So this is the LCM of. So total of LCM is what? It is 450. The total multiplication of this number is 450. Hope you understand how to solve this example and how to find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay. Now we will stop here. Thank you.